The path to weight loss can be a difficult one, particularly for novices who are just getting started on their journey. Beginners, however, can get their weight reduction journey off to a good start and obtain results that will last if they follow some straightforward and useful advice. This video will provide you with 10 simple weight loss methods that you can start using right away. The video is going to be very interesting, so make sure you stick till the end. Before we continue to our video, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to never miss any of our future uploads. Now, let's get started. Number 10. Increase your fiber intake. Fiber is a nutrient that plays a significant role in overall health and in the process of losing weight. Moreover, it can help you feel full and lower your appetite, as well as manage your blood sugar levels and enhance digestion. Consuming a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes can help you reach your daily goal of at least 25 to 30 grams of fiber, which you should aim for. Number 9. Reduce your sugar intake. Sugar is a crucial factor in weight gain and can be present in a wide variety of meals that have been processed or packaged. Inflammation and other problems with one's health may potentially result from this. You may cut down on the amount of sugar you consume by avoiding sugary drinks, desserts, and snacks, and by reading the labels on the foods you eat to seek for sneaky sugar sources. Number 8. Incorporate strength training. The purpose of strength training is to build and tone muscle, and it typically involves the use of weights or other forms of resistance. It can help speed up your metabolism and increase the number of calories you burn, in addition to improving your general health and fitness. It is recommended that you try to include strength training activities into your routine at least 2 to 3 times per week. Some examples of strength training exercises include lifting weights, utilizing resistance bands, or performing bodyweight exercises such as push-ups and squats. Number 7. Limit your alcohol intake. In addition to being a large source of empty calories, alcohol can also cause sleep disturbances and hormonal imbalances, both of which can contribute to weight gain. Make it a goal to restrict your use of alcohol to no more than 1 drink per day for women and no more than 2 drinks per day for men, and select for beverages with fewer calories, such as wine or light beer. Number 6. Find a form of physical activity you enjoy. If you don't find enjoyment in what you're doing, it can be challenging to maintain a regular exercise routine, which is essential for both weight reduction and overall health. Choose a type of physical exercise that you take pleasure in doing, such as dancing, hiking, or swimming, and make it a point to include it in your daily routine as much as possible. In the long run, this may serve to make physical activity more enjoyable and sustainable. Number 5. Eat a high-protein breakfast. Consuming a breakfast that is strong in protein first thing in the morning will help jumpstart your metabolism and lessen the number of cravings you experience throughout the day. Protein is an essential component in the formation and maintenance of muscle, which in turn can help speed up your metabolism and cause you to burn more calories. Try to consume at least 20 to 30 grams of protein in the morning, which you can do so by consuming foods like eggs, Greek yogurt, or a protein smoothie, for example. Number 4. Pack your lunch and snacks. When you are on the go or at work, packing your lunch and snacks might assist you avoid making decisions that are bad for your health. When you make your own meals, you have complete control over the portion sizes and the ingredients, which allows you to ensure that you are eating foods that are good for you and provide you with essential nutrients. Your meals and snacks should contain a wide range of nutritious foods, including a selection of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Number 3. Drink plenty of water. Consuming a sufficient amount of water every day is essential for achieving successful weight loss and maintaining overall health. Water can make you feel full and lessen your appetite, as well as raise your metabolism and assist your body in flushing out impurities. It can also help boost your metabolism. Try to consume at least 8 to 10 glasses of water per day, and stay away from sugary drinks like soda and fruit juice. Number 2. Get enough sleep. It is essential for both weight loss and one's general health to get an adequate amount of sleep. The hormones that control hunger and appetite can be disrupted by a lack of sleep, which can lead to excessive eating and weight gain. Establishing a regular sleep regimen and making it a priority to get at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night will help enhance the quality of your sleep. Number 1. Practice mindful eating. An approach known as mindful eating involves paying attention to your eating habits and the food you eat without passing judgment on either one. This can help you become more aware of the foods you choose to eat, the amount sizes you consume, and the indicators that indicate when you are hungry. It can also help you avoid emotional eating. Try to eat slowly, chew your food fully, and pay attention to the different tastes and textures of the food you eat so that you can practice mindful eating. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.